Di Basnyam Bak Penjas Lieng Rupa Premium Megalia
Umïam College Shillong kakot admission haki degree but diploma course ban long chef hotelier but QA ban dep khap mania fila ban call haki niki number
Dak babu hakmat berkentiu shushu ikam Nongjngohkai perthai haka jilla Umintri rangba ka jilla Konrad ki sangma haka sautruk juliu aratar phausan lopli Paidbah Lieng Yatch berai kerteng Megalino keban kit saudong hiki Nongjngohkai perthai ban sayok lar ban saki hiki jing ithiang jong kapong Umïam Haga jing Plie Paidbah ya kan Lieng la sakilang do Menteri Ketenaga Nongjngohkai perthai ba Poling do u Commissioner and Secretary jong Ketenaga Nongjngohkai perthai Dr. Vijay Kumar baru Director jong Ketenaga Nongjngohkai uba Cyril VD ding do
Today, of course, also marks another remarkable story in the success story of Megalia's tourism, the launch of Megalia, a yacht that promises to be more than just a yacht, but an experience that will take you to what this actual name Megalia means. The word Megalia was coined using two words, Valina, which is, some of you might be aware of this name as a celestial voyage, a part of a very enchanted place that is associated with the ethereal and the divine. And we have Umïam Lake here, which I'd like to connect the two words, the myth and the myth of Umïam, when we marry it with the idea of Valina, a realm, a dwelling place of gods and angels. And I can assure you that we have more plans to elevate the experience of tourists. Today we have merged Valina with Megalia to ensure that your experience in the yacht would be a mega experience.
For us, this is a journey, and along the way, many events, many programs, many initiatives are being taken. And we have planned this journey, and we know the destination where we want to get to. And we have charted out a long process. And today's event is very much a part of that entire larger vision and the goal and the destination that we have in mind. But as they always say, the journey is more important than actually finally reaching the destination. And therefore, today's program, though small in terms of the numbers and the different activities, but it's a very meaningful program. And the main reason for that is that this is bringing in two very critical areas for us as a state government, that is tourism and sports. And this event is actually bringing the two of them together and allowing us to bring out more and having a final result that will have a much bigger impact than the individual verticals themselves. And hence today, whether it is tourism, whether it's sports, we have got great targets and goals and plans that we have in mind. And as we work towards achieving those goals, many programs are being done. And as I said, today's program is a great example of two verticals, which is sports and tourism coming together, which is again very important sector for us.
Kani ka Megalia kini ka Yacht ka ba ni aksin ka waning kong ka jala ki Nongjngohkai but ki bakwa ban enjoy ya kini ka Yacht ki Yacht ya kini ka facility te ka ba ni skutanat ka department kolong ba adin bagila study ya kini ka Lieng ya kini ka Umïam Lieng ni lapru ba borok ki biang dot kum kenuksa ka speed bat ka intensity velocity jong ke air ru ki dalam ko biang bha ka ba yarap ya ki sailor bat hi wa ban enjoy ya ka experience ha ka yacht ha borok lenter di ayom di nor kata ka jinglong jingman jong ni ka lake ru kalong ko ya biang bha ki khain ka depth ki khain ka jingdon jong ni ka ilum ba jangam saudong but ni community ba kani kadang datang ka jikstang namar ha ka snem ka banwan lang khatwei bana shubu ba shi snem lang ni ngin la ru ban introduce saya ka lake cruise ka ba ninyo ba ka capacity ka long ba shi spa san po mut ki brio dengan khat ngawer ki Paidbah banwan ban ya shim bata ban enjoy ya kani ka yacht experience but kani ka lake ka ba la deep ru nangaru yak nam joka ko ina ka ba itenak tam bo kari India hak perdai.